Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm your host, Kirsten, and for the next couple of weeks, we'll be showing you Montreal. In this video, we will focus on Old Town Montreal, Chinatown, and a few other restaurants that we liked. So here we go!
We're off. We were fortunate enough to be hosted by Andrew's cousin, Mark, at a farm, and we actually left our trailer there because the rest of the trip we're going to do Airbnb, change it up a little bit. And now we're off to Montreal.
We just got out of Ontario. We're in Quebec right now, and this is like a little update on our little flag. If you can see here, there's like little holes, and that's where it used to be stitched. It used to be stitched like that, but now it's frayed, and it's like all like puffy. And instead of like a sharp edge, now this part also frayed, and it's just like a little oval now. And yeah, we'll see how it does over the whole trip.
We just finished our dinner at Takumi. It's a buffet sushi restaurant. First night here, just picked the closest one. Food was so-so. There are some items that's not bad, other item that was not great. But we did have a lot of fun with their sushi Nutella. So how's the Nutella sushi?
Okay, now from now on, I know the penalty. If you don't behave, we'll give you Nutella sushi.
How can something with Nutella be that bad? Oh.
And also the rice is like, there's like a little like wrapping of Nutella.
Alright, what's inside?
I don't know, I can't even tell. I can't.
Let's have Andrew try it. And
Okay.
then sweet and salty.
Yes, and spicy. Best Nutella sushi I ever had. Actually, this is the only Nutella sushi I ever had.
You really swallowed it a lot faster than Kirsten did.
That's the best way to get rid of it. Just swallow it.
Let's see what this tastes like. Does it taste like Nutella? Does it taste like sushi?
I told you it's gross.
It tastes like a really bad crepe with rice.
Yeah.
This on the menu is sushi Nutella sushi. And all three of them have tried it and did not like it. So why am I even trying this? You guys don't like it. Okay. Not too bad actually. Except there's a funny sour. Oh, you know what? It's sushi rice. That's what makes it a bit sour because of vinegar. Without the sushi rice, it would have been better. Because I like the coconut shading with the peanut on top. They have that in Vietnamese restaurant too. But that sushi rice, no. Alright, that's my experience.
And there's no Nutella in it.
No Nutella, it was chocolate, it's not Nutella.
Oh my goodness, my daughter.
Okay.
Wow.
You have some chocolate on your nose.
Good morning! It's our first full day in Montreal, and it's the morning. I am going down the street to a bagel shop to pick up some bagels. It's a must-do when you're in Montreal. I absolutely love the vibe of this city. It's so European. We are living right in the Saint Denis district, which is their Latin Quarter. Very good vibe. All right, these are our bagel sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches from Hinnawi Brothers Bagel, right in the corner of our street in Saint Denis area. They look super yummy. This is the Toronto, which is with bacon, avocado, and I think it's mozza. This is their BLT. bacon, lettuce, tomato, of course, classic. And then this is a must-have. It is their smoked meat. When you're in Montreal, definitely have smoked meat. So this is it in a bagel.
Today is our first day in Montreal, and today we are going to be walking around like the Old Montreal place.
When you're in Montreal, you must visit Old Montreal. It's a historic neighborhood founded in 1642. That's over 300 years ago and the closest you'll get to seeing old European-type buildings in Canada. Early Montreal's economy relied a lot on its port, but during the Great Depression, the port facilities were relocated further east. This, along with the downtown area being relocated a few blocks to the north and the near absence of residents, gave the area a reputation for being dangerous at night. It was not until the 1980s when the residential base returned to the area, along with an attraction of the hotels occupying restored heritage buildings, that the area became as lively as it is now. Some attractions you should visit in Old Montreal is Rue Saint Paul. It is the oldest street in Montreal. It originally served as a main thoroughfare in the early days of the city, and to this day, much of it is still paved with cobblestones. You'll find many historic gray stone buildings with restaurants, boutiques, and nightclubs. Another attraction to check out is Nelson's Column, also known as Nelson's Monument. It was erected in 1809 in honor of Admiral Lord Nelson. It is right between the City Hall and the famous Market Square Place Jacques Cartier.
We just finished eating from Pho Bang. It's a pho. It's very good. The price is surprisingly quite a bit cheaper than Vancouver. The portion is huge. The pho is very tasty. It was recommended by two of our local friends, Eric's friend and my friend. And I was not disappointed. It was really good. And not too much MSG. I can't really taste MSG, so it was pretty good.
Okay, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing with the t-shirts?
We are trying to do a matching family t-shirt. And just
We are trying to infect you guys with lameness.
What do you think, girls? Yes or no?
No.
No? Are you girls gonna get matching ones at
2
least?
weeks from now, you will be infected with lameness from us.
it's gonna be
You can
cute.
tell I'm scowling even on the
What do we end up choosing here? Okay, which one do we end up choosing?
The adults end up choosing. Here, let me show you. Really, really Canada.
Nice.
Yeah, and the two girls chose Montreal.
Okay, so this shop is pretty cool. It's in Chinatown. If you ever are here, you can come down. It's downstairs. I'll give you a photo of the front. But basically, you pick your t-shirt, any color. Price is good. And you pick your pattern. And then the boss man here prints it for you right away. So see, you don't have to wait. It's so convenient. Any style you want. Very cool. So if you want to be as lame as us and do matchy, then come down here, okay? This shop's pretty cool. Lots of other souvenir stuff. And here, look. This is the t-shirts that we're making. Right there. That's the ones for the adults.
You want the same thing too?
Here, Andrew's been trying on lots of cool earmuffs, all different styles. Okay, so no need for us to go up north because this is what they would look like in Nunavut. Exactly like this. Right, Andrew?
Yes, I know. Sean, what did you say?
The most famous attraction in Montreal has to be the Notre Dame Basilica. This is where Canada's very own Celine Dion got married. Approximately 11 million people visit every year, which makes it one of the most visited monuments in North America. Too bad for us, it was closed for construction, so we were not one of the lucky 11 million. So instead, we went to look for a dinner spot, and as luck would have it, we noticed the top of one of the buildings had a cool structure, and we were curious, so we had to check it out. We're up at the top of Montreal right now, and it's a beautiful garden top. If you're ever looking for a view of the city and a place to drink, come up to La Terrasse Plaza. It's at the top of one of these hotels. I'll take a screenshot of it so you can find it. We kind of just looked and we saw at the top this rooftop, so we were curious and we went up. This is right diagonally, right across from the Notre Dame Basilica. Beautiful view. You know, sunset behind you, it's perfect. Come up here. The menu is a little bit limited. The drink menu is great. So yeah, come up more for the view than the food. So we're quite happy. What do you think about this?
Yes, it is a beautiful, beautiful setting that if you do come by to this area, do check it out and come up for the view, take lots of photos. As Eric said, the drink menu is very, very big. So you can come up here just to enjoy a drink, a few drinks, watch a sunset, and then you can go about your night to a beautiful restaurant later. So check it out.
That was Terrasse Plaza. What do you guys think about that?
The view was amazing.
It was really nice. The view was really nice. Again, like Danny said. But they didn't have many food options.
The menu was very small.
Very, very
Maybe
limited.
it's because like
But actually, like the food is actually not bad. For
Yeah, all
limited
the
choice.
food items that they did have, the quality was high, right?
But it was like literally less than 8 items on the menu. A lot of drinks though.
Definitely a drinking place, you can tell. A lot of people were up there just for drinks and just to check out the view and stuff. So
yeah, I mean,
if you guys do want to come check it out.
It's like
After taking some night photos at the plaza, we went to grab a late night dinner. Montreal is very much like Europe that way. Even late at night, you can find a patio still open for dinner. The girls decide to make up a jingle for our very own lovey-dovey Amy and Andrew. Please don't sing it again.
I started. Amy.
Was today fun?
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Fun making up a song?
Yeah. We have lots
Horrible
of
song.
songs, like a whole song. Like
Torturing
We
song.
can make a whole album on Spotify.
Auntie Amy, last
Not
one.
everywhere we go. Because I'm sharing bowls. The butter is that. Let's keep by your head.
Okay, we just finished our meal, a very late night meal.
It's our second dinner because there's so much good food in Montreal. We want
Yes.
to try it all, so we try to fit in every restaurant that we like as possible. So actually, this is our second dinner. Our second
That's
dinner
right.
started at 10 p.m.
Yes, and that's a problem.
Yeah.
Montreal, the attractions are okay, but the restaurant scene is amazing. Everything in Google is actually like 4+, and we had so many recommendations from all our friends. So We had to try everything. Anyways, this one is Pyrenees. It's right over there, the Spanish flag. Pyrenees restaurant. It's pretty good. What do you have? We had a seared scallop. That was yummy.
Seared
with
scallop.
potato skin chips. That was interesting. Their rigatoni pasta was good. What else was good?
Ceviche. They have ceviche, and we
Ceviche.
also order
The pan-seared scallops.
Yeah,
Yes.
we already said that. The soup, actually the mussel soup.
Yes, the mussel soup is amazing. It's like so creamy. The only thing that kind of missed the mark, we would say, is the ceviche.
Yes, that's right.
We felt it wasn't sour enough. It wasn't spicy enough. There was a sauce that you can put in there that made it spicy, but definitely that kind of missed the mark. Everything else though was pretty
And
good.
missed the mark is because if you like fish ceviche, then this is the right spot for you. They didn't put any prawns in it. The ceviche I'm used to have prawns in it, and it's much more like sour, but this one doesn't have it. But the portion was perfect because it's like tapa sizes, so it's like very small portion, so you can try many different type of varieties.
Yep, and this one is in the Old Town, right in Old Town, very close to the Notre Dame Basilica. So if you're in this area, you can look for it. There's other Spanish restaurants around. There's lots of good stuff, so you don't have to come to this one. But if you're in town, in the Old Town, and you're looking for Spanish, check out Pyrenees Spanish restaurant.
I hope you liked this video. Next time you're in Montreal, make sure to check out some of these places because we personally really enjoyed it. Check back with us next week as our friend Lisa takes us on a nice, relaxing picnic at Montreal and shares with us some secret insider tips.